Okay, today we are reviewing a budget keyboard that's bound to mix the competition between keyboards in the local market. Before we start, however, I do want to say that this video is not sponsored and that everything that's mentioned in this video will solely be my own thoughts and opinions. The market for budget wireless keyboards nowadays are slowly ramping up because of new innovations by various brands and manufacturers. Currently, we have Acco, Royal Kludge, and a lot more brands that offer budget keyboards in the same price range. It does its own job when it comes to functionalities, but sound-wise, you'd have to modify these keyboards to achieve a satisfying typing sound. But what if I told you that for just almost the same price range, you're getting everything these boards offer, but entirely better? Now let's unbox it. Once you lift the top cover, it's all straightforward. You'll be met with the keyboard itself, a box that contains the switch puller, and another box that contains the cord. And here we have the Cidoo 75 Pro. This is a 75% layout keyboard with a rotary knob, the entire function row, and all 81 keys that makes it great for both work and gaming. It's also made of CNC aluminum, which gives you a more premium feel of the board and a much more solid sound profile. It has south-facing LEDs and it's hot swappable too, so you can swap out the switches with other ones if you prefer. Oh, and one thing to note is that this keyboard comes with TRIMODE connectivity. Yes, you heard me right. An aluminum keyboard now has the capability to rock complete wireless, unlike the last times where it used to be an issue because of signals, latency against aluminum, but whatever. At least now we have the Cidoo 75 Pro. Going over on the usage of the keyboard, however, is that this thing comes gasket mounted with a polycarbonate plate. This means that your typing feel will be softer than the usual tray-mounted keyboards in the same price range. Stabilizers are also well lubed, so you can use it as it is. And for the enthusiasts out there, this kit accepts screw-in stabilizers, so feel free to swap them out with your preferred aftermarket choice, TX. If ever you'd want to switch around the keys though, or would like to set up some macros, you can do so through VIA. And the best part about it is that you can connect to VIA while using wireless. Take that, other competitors. Having all these said, let's see how the board sounds stock. To be honest, it really sounds great. But what mods can you do to step it up? All you need is just tape. 2 layers of tape mod ought to do it. So this time, for the sound test, I'll be mounting my TMT Tahoe set designed by Simbusped to go with this config. Let's hear how it sounds. There you go. Overall, I would say that this is a very solid pick and or upgrade from whatever budget board you have. All links are down in the description, and until then, I'll see you guys later.